Hi, I'm Steve Dockery and welcome back to the Moot Workshop. Today we're looking at a Philco 51 T1872 console television from 1951. It's a beautiful piece of furniture that hidden inside is a 17-inch black and white CRT television, obviously since that's all they had back then. And in this side we have an AM radio and a slide-out phonograph. Right now, none of this works. Let's see what we can do about it. It's a little terrifying plugging this thing in. Nothing caught fire. Let's see what happens if we turn it on. I hear some humming. Nothing happens on the picture tube. That's not surprising. Let's switch it to radio mode. Nothing. Now let's switch this to phonograph mode. And the light above the phonograph does turn on. When you turn on the record player, nothing happens. All right, so the first thing we got to do is take the back panel off of this thing. It's missing about half of its screws. So this is antenna wire. There's a loop that runs around the entire outside. That's the antenna for the radio. There's a message on the back cover that says, this cover is provided with an electrical interlock. The cord is supposed to stop here, and when you take this back panel off, it takes the cord with you, so you can't shock yourself. But as you can see, the cord does stay there. This is what they call a cheater cord. Let's plug this thing again and see what lights up. At least some of the filaments light up. I think we can be pretty sure that the picture tube is dead. This here is a picture tube brightener that you would get aftermarket to put in the TV if the picture was starting to get dim, and it would let the tube last just a little bit longer. So the tube is probably toast. And the chances of getting a new tube for this are zero because they don't make them anymore. And getting a replacement is very unlikely. All right, that's the record player free. So, not especially filthy for something from 1951. However, there's a good explanation for that. When I first got this thing several years ago, it came delivered in parts because it was so incredibly heavy to move all at once. You can see what it used to look like. So while it was apart, before I put it all back together again, but didn't actually attempt to repair it, I cleaned it up a bit. Well, now I got a workbench full of parts. Where to even begin? I'll tell you what, in the next segment, we'll start with something mechanical. We'll rehabilitate this turntable next time on the Moot Workshop. Say, if you appreciate what you just saw, go ahead and like this video or subscribe to our channel, and we'll keep bringing you more quality programming.